Imagine a bustling heart monitor, a spoonful of golden honey, fresh garlic, lemon and ginger in a beautiful kitchen. Could a single glass of juice hold the secret to a healthier heart, unclogged arteries and controlled blood pressure? Imagine waking up every day knowing you've taken a simple, natural step to protect your heart. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and watch this video to the end, because today I am exploring an incredible remedy that's been praised for its life-changing benefits. But first, let's understand the real story behind clogged arteries and high blood pressure. Picture this. You're enjoying life, eating your favorite foods, and one day you start feeling unusually tired. No big deal, right? But what if that's your body's way of sending a warning? Blocked arteries and high blood pressure can sneak up silently, often without noticeable symptoms until it's too late. But don't worry, there's a simple, natural solution. In just a moment, I'll share a powerful homemade tonic that can help cleanse your arteries and regulate your blood pressure. It's made with ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. What causes clogged arteries in the first place? It's not just about what you eat, it's about the damage happening inside your blood vessels. Experts reveal that high cholesterol, smoking, poor diet, obesity, and even stress can cause plaque to build up over time, narrowing your arteries like a clogged drain pipe. The result? Increased pressure on your heart, reduced oxygen flow, and a ticking time bomb for your health. But what if you could turn back the clock, cleanse your arteries, and protect your heart without expensive procedures or medications? That's where this miraculous juice comes in, a blend of natural, powerful ingredients that work together to help your body heal. Let's break it down. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of ginger juice, known for increasing blood flow and reducing inflammation. 1 cup of garlic puree, a natural cholesterol buster and blood pressure regulator. 1 cup of lemon juice, packed with antioxidants that keep your arteries flexible. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, a detoxifying powerhouse. And finally, 2 cups of organic honey, nature's sweetener, loaded with heart-friendly antioxidants. Here's how to create your heart-saving elixir. I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead. Show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. First, combine the ginger juice, garlic puree, lemon juice, and the apple cider vinegar in a saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to blend the flavors. Let it cool completely before adding 2 cups of organic honey. Mix well and pour the golden liquid into a clean glass jar. Store it in your fridge where it will last up to 2 months. Now, the most important part. How do you use it? Take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach each morning. For an added boost, you can also take it in the afternoon or at night. Let's look at the science behind these ingredients. Garlic studies show it can reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and even dissolve small clots. It contains allicin, which has potent medicinal properties, ginger. Its anti-inflammatory properties help prevent heart disease while boosting circulation. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound, is responsible for much of its medicinal benefits. Lemon, a natural detoxifier that supports healthy blood flow. Rich in vitamin C, it also helps in reducing inflammation and improving arterial function. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium and enzymes that flush out toxins and improve artery health. Acetic acid in it helps lower blood sugar levels and manage insulin sensitivity. Honey, antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce heart disease risks. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, promoting overall cardiovascular health. So, what are you waiting for? This simple, natural remedy could be your ticket to a healthier heart and a longer, more vibrant life. But don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and see the difference it can make. Your heart deserves the best care. Take this small step today. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.